Hi, my name is Erica Agsunod, and my topic is all about leadership is a trait, leadership is an ability, and leadership is a skill. First, let's talk about leadership is a trait. Let's define what is trait. A trait is a distinguishing quality of an individual which is often inherited. Leadership as trait means that each individual brings to the table certain qualities that influence the way he or she leads. Leadership traits refer to personal qualities that define effective leaders. I'll give you some example. First is effective communicator. Leaders are excellent communicator, able to clearly or concisely explain problem and solution. Leaders understand when to speak and when to listen. Second is accountable and responsible. Leaders hold themselves accountable and take responsibility for any mistakes. Leaders support and encourage individuality while abiding by organizational structure, rules, and policies that need to be followed. Third is the long-term thinker. Leaders are visionaries. This is evidenced by the leadership traits of being able to plan for the future through concrete and quantifiable goals. They understand the need for continuous change and often to trying new approaches to solve problems or improve processes. Next is self-motivated. Leaders are self-motivated and are able to keep going and attain goals despite setbacks. In addition, good leaders try their best to exceed, not just meet expectation. Next is confident. All good leaders share the leadership traits of confidence. They are able to make tough decisions and lead with authority. Next one is people-oriented. Leaders are typically people-oriented. They're able to foster a team culture, involve others in decision making, and show concern for each team member by making each individual feel important and vital to the team's success. They secure the best efforts from each member of the team. Last one is emotionally stable. Leaders exercise good control and regulation over their own behavior and are able to tolerate frustration and stress. Leaders are able to cope with changes in environment without having an intense emotional reaction. Next is the leadership is an ability. A person who has leadership ability is able to be a leader. While the term ability frequently refers to a natural capacity, ability can be acquired. Leadership skills are the strengths and abilities individuals demonstrate that help the oversee process to achieve goals. Here are some examples of effective leaders. First is the decisiveness. Effective leaders are those who can make decisions quickly. With the information they have, decisiveness is seen as valued leader ability because it can help move project along faster and improve efficiency. Second is integrity. Integrity is often seen as just truthfulness or honesty, but in many cases, it also means having and standing by set of strong values. Having integrity as leader not only encourages the most truthful and fair practice and outcome, but also send a strong and positive example to your team. Next is the relationship building. It is potentially one of the most important ability to leadership as it makes communication of tasks, responsibilities, and goals more effective. Fourth is the problem solving. Problem solving skills can help leaders make quick decisions, resolve obstacles with their team, and assure projects are completed on time. Fifth is dependability. Being a dependable leader means that people can trust and rely on you. Being a dependable leader means meeting deadlines and having a backup plan. And the last one is the ability to teach and mentor. Effectively teaching colleagues or Direct reports to grow in their careers help organization scale. This ability requires that leaders think less about themselves and more about how to make their team as a whole successful. The last one is leadership is a skill. Conceptualized as a skill, leadership is competency developed to accomplish a task effectively. Skilled leaders are competent people who knows the means and method for carrying out their responsibility. Leadership as a skill makes leadership available to everyone because skills are competency that people can learn or develop. Here are some examples of skills in leadership. First is the communication. Effective leadership starts with great oral and written communication skill. For example, a project manager must use communication skills to lead by ensuring that everyone working on a project understand what to do and when. Second is problem solving. Problem solving often includes research and effort to develop solutions. Example, effective leader who see a project heading over budget must identify ways to cut costs without falling short of expectations. Perhaps a brainstorming session with their team. Third is delegation. When you manage people and project, you must all necessary tasks are completed by the deadline. Example, a good leader creating an ad campaign provide direction while assigning concept, design, copy, and other responsibilities to the most suitable person without taking on too much themselves. And the last one is giving and receiving feedback. Leaders must often provide team members with positive feedback and constructive criticism. Knowing when to give feedback and how to receive it professionally and positively is an essential leadership skill. That will be all. Thank you.